Hi guys, it's Yolanda, the Happy Housewife, and today is a cloudy day in usually sunny Texas. So I wanted to share with you a few quick tips that I do when the day is kind of cloudy and gray like this. Look. So I think that's absolutely beautiful. I love to see rainfall, to hear it. I mean, it's just amazing. And I didn't have a lot of outside errands to run, so I just sort of lean into days like this. I know for some people, this dreary weather can be sort of a downer, you know? And so for me, to avoid feeling down on days like this, I put on my favorite music, Stevie Wonder or Aretha Franklin or Neil Diamond or, just Bon Jovi. I don't know. Somebody that will help turn that frown upside down. And then I will do mood lighting. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, I have my lamps on all over the house. I do that even if I'm by myself. If the kids are sleeping, this would be a great time to get into your favorite book or read a magazine or call a friend that you haven't talked to in a long time. I use this time to create new recipes. I'm excited to make a potato soup tonight. But I say lean into it, don't run from it, right? It's gonna only make the day longer. But I light my favorite candle, and I'm probably gonna get into some of those beauty products I have under the cabinet and do like a spa treatment for my face or satin hands. Wink, wink, satin hands is my favorite. This would be a great day to learn a new stretching routine or something like that. But guys, you can turn that frown upside down. Even if you don't control the weather outside, you control the weather inside. So remember, guys, above everything else, no matter what the weather looks like, you are loved. Thank you for joining us.